guys, we haven't did a video until a long time, so we're gonna do another video. And we are making bracelets. We were planning to do this for a while, and we have a few bracelet kits. So we have these like wooden beads. We have like these beads.
Yeah, all kinds of different beads. Some of them
Like
we got for other projects, some of them specifically for doing this sort of thing.
Strings.
Yeah, we have elasticy string, lots of stuff to work with. So we're just gonna go ahead and make some jewelry.
And also, we had the most magical one. The magical mermaid jet. I'm choosing this thingy.
Whoa.
This thingy.
Yeah, well,
No,
that's just a string.
I want a string.
Okay, how long? I'm gonna plan mine out a bit. Lay it out first on the table.
But you can't use too many of those because I'm gonna use them too.
What ones are you gonna use?
Maybe like some of these type of beads. Maybe I can spell my name.
I was gonna spell your name.
Oh! I'm gonna write like art, like my logo, guys. And then I'm going to put like maybe a star bead in the middle, like this yellow star bead in the middle. And then I'm gonna write actually this star bead in the middle. And then I'm gonna write Artemis because art to miss.
Okay,
Or
well.
I'm gonna write art and then put the bead in the rest of my name.
Yeah, art, bead, and miss.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
if
gonna be
you're
mine.
doing Artemis, I'm not gonna do it too, because then we just have 2 Artemis bracelets.
Wow, mine's gonna be a bit different.
Yeah, Artemis has this thing now. Every time she opens anything, it doesn't matter who's there or what's going on. It has to be an ASMR video.
No, Daddy, I think use your nails, not your fingers. Go. Guys, you can't believe the charm I just found. They literally have a heart.
Oh, nice.
Look at it!
Maybe that's what you could put in between, no?
No, I'm putting the star.
Oh, yeah. There's Artemis. You're gonna add a heart.
There. Now I'm gonna add a star, and because everybody loves me.
A heart at the end.
Yeah.
You could do a heart at the start and the end. No?
No.
No? Okay.
Actually, yeah.
I'm going to make a bracelet for you
Yay! The wonderful Artemis.
with some of your favorite colors. I'll use the big beads since
I
you're
like-
using the small ones.
I like these ones. Bracelet make. I'm gonna rage quit.
Do you want me to get something to help you with that?
Nah.
I'll get something to clip on the end. Because you gotta tie the 2 ends together at the end anyway. I can get something to clip on there and the beads won't fall off while you make it.
I think I have an idea.
I have an idea.
I have an idea.
Now I have an idea. So I just got, it's called a third hand. Just an extra little alligator clip. I'm gonna use these and just clip the end of the elastic. Then I can, want this one on yours?
Nah, I double tied it.
Oh, it's okay now?
Yeah. I told you I had an idea. Golden eye. Okay, it's not a golden eye. This one's golden eye. So I
Golden eye.
S. Hey, I golden, not golden eye.
That was the name of a movie, a James Bond movie, and there's a really good video game to go with it when I was a kid.
It's called I Golden.
Golden eye.
Really?
Yeah.
That is a weird video game.
It's a fun video game to play against other people.
Real people?
Yeah, like you play.
Roblox?
You know how the screen splits when we play Minecraft? Like that. And you'd have to hunt the other person down and shoot them.
Well, that's not appropriate. you're blocking that off the video when we're done.
Why? That's the video game.
No, because there's little child watching this. It's probably little 5 years old.
Yeah, but I'm talking about a video game. Well,
You're talking about a scary video game. guns. Little 5 years old, if he doesn't cut this out, I just want to tell you, he is just lying. There is no video game like that. Don't worry, little 5 years old. Don't be scared. There's no such thing as guns.
5-year-old boys now probably play, most of them probably play video games with guns already.
Shh.
I mean, Minecraft, you got a sword.
But it's a nice sword. Like it's not an evil, furious sword that'll scare kids. It's just a nice sword. It's a nice.
Well, how do you know the guns aren't nice?
Because they're probably powerful and they're black. Ugly black, like you can make pink swords in Minecraft.
No, because it's GoldenEye, one of the awesome things in the game was you could get a golden gun.
Okay guys, I have finished my cute bracelet. Guys, look at the bracelet. Or necklace. I really don't know still. I'm just gonna dump a bit onto this side so then we can tie it. Okay.
Is that good?
Amazing. I love the bracelet, Daddy.
Okay, then I'm gonna tie it off.
I feel like a princess.
You are my princess.
So guys, I was finished, but then it broke.
That's the one that I made for Artemis.
Do you want to have an idea, guys? We're gonna separate the bracelets. One is the Artemis bracelet, while the other is an Artemis bracelet.
There you go. And then you want to put this one on the other hand?
Or I can just put it on my leg.
Ankle bracelet?
Yeah.
Try that one on.
Ooh. I love this bracelet. I love the star charm. It matches. Me too. Now I'm making another one. Ba-ba-da-ba. Ba-ba-da-ba. I was planning to make a bracelet way more different because this one's more giving a mermaid vibe. I'm gonna make this one more rainbow vibe. Guys, I want to show you something. I'm gonna make a bow. So this is one part of the bow. Then you grab this. Then that's the middle of the bow. And then you grab this. You put it the upside down way. Put it the other way. And look, I made a bow.
Move your hand.
Bow. And then also.
That's a smart use of a heart.
One fact, guys, when you squeeze a cat's paw here, their claws open, look.
Right here in the ball of their foot, and their claws open.
Yep, it's true. Like and subscribe if you love cats, and if you love dogs, then like. And if you love both, then do all and comment a heart emoji. Yep. Ooh, I like this bracelet. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, then you're in big trouble because like and subscribing is all what you have to do. Just go down, press red button, then the red button will say subscribe. Press that button and then you have to subscribe and also like and comment down below everything I told you to comment down below today. And also, don't forget to hit the bell. Hit the bell. Give us money.
The bell.
And notifications.
Notifications? Yes.
Yeah.
You love that word, don't you? The word you can't say.
And also, if you want to learn new languages, then go to Dingalingo.
Duolingo?
Dingalingo.
Why?
You can learn how to speak anything.
You know how to speak Dingalinglish?
I mean, they can learn how to speak Dingalingo-lish.
Yeah, Dingalinglish?
Dingalingo-lish, yeah. Never mind, I don't know how to say Dingalingo.
Duolingo.
Yeah,
But I
whatever
don't know
he
why
said.
you're advertising it. Especially when you can't say it.
Dingalingo. Then we get to use it at Dingalingo, and it's all for free.
Okay, let's say bye now.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
My dad crashed me. Dingalingo. Bye, bye, bye.